Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Atik's English channel. Dear learners and my dear viewers and the students who are willing to see me in the YouTube video, welcome once again. I am MD Atikur Rahman, ex-principal of Daisy Bloom International School, Norail. As an English medium school, I was there as a founder principal, and then I was a Vice Principal of Madhupur High School, Madhupur, Begol Dilru, Subaidullah Technical Institute. Then I moved to AIMS Academy Chattogram. Then I got recruited as an English teacher in NTRC Dirgubhumi Ucho Vidyalaya in Dirgubhumi High School. So now I am in Bangampara and helping people to serve the nation. As an English teacher, I am going to give you some solution of your last test exam, and hope I will give you suggestion through my YouTube channel as a volunteer service. And some of you may not come, may not have access to me, and you are struggling whenever I am in the class, you may be absent or you are in absent minded. I cannot get your answer in proper way. This is the least thing I can do for you in a video, and I can help you by solving the question. So let's begin the video.